Welcome back. We all know everything's bigger in Texas, right? Well, not exactly. Here in Wichita Falls, the littlest skyscraper in the world isn't just a small piece of history around these parts. This tiny little building, and it is tiny, actually has a namesake burger in town that's anything but small. Sports fans, start your engines and ready your appetite, because the Parkway Grill in Wichita Falls is serving up plates so big, they'll feed the whole team. It's so heavy, I'm gonna drop it. Make room for mega plates of nachos, tremendous Tex-Mex, and the tallest tower of juicy hamburger patties I've ever seen.
You know, if you walk away from this place hungry, it's your own fault.
A melted, yummy goodness.
These plentiful portions aren't the only thing that's legendary about the Parkway Grill. Well, I heard you were one of the first sports bars in Texas, right?
Texas or the nation.
Or the nation.
That was just starting out.
This fast-talking, sports-loving Texan is owner Scotty P. He's been with Parkway Grill since things looked a little different around here.
Parkway Grill's been here since 1983. It was a diner originally, and when I first got here, it was one TV, and then we had 8, and then 10, and now we're up to about 48.
It's hard to believe the Sports Haven was once a 50s-style diner. Now, it's a totally awesome TV-filled fun zone that's perfect for sports fans of all ages.
It's a good place so you can bring your kids, but you can still hang out, watch some sports, drink some drinks, have some great food.
We give from little kids to 90-year-olds. You know,
all ages.
I used to call it the Chuck E. Cheese with beer. You know?
That's why the parents like to bring in a beer, right? Wet your whistle with Wichita Falls' famous Red Draw, and take a swing at the cheesiest cheese sticks in town.
They give you so much food that makes you like that.
We've had everything on the menu twice, probably, and it's fantastic.
If you're feeling brave, try your hand at the towering Skyscraper burger, made with 4 patties, cheese sticks, and a whole order of onion rings. So this is going to be a challenge. This is the massive Skyscraper. Massive, unlike the tiny skyscraper you saw downtown. This one really is huge. I guess I'll just go for it, right? Quarterbacking this amazing restaurant team is Chef Chano Castro, who started his career here as a dishwasher.
He's just put together a great team, and just our kitchen, I put up against anybody. It's amazing.
So tell me about the food here, because we're sitting here looking at these massive nachos. They are huge.
It feeds about 3 to 4 people. Every now and again, there'll be a brave soul that try to conquer it and eat it.
And you do a variation of these nachos, right?
Oh yeah.
Pulled pork.
We do a pulled pork. We do a chicken, a beef fajita. Pretty much, if we have it and you want it, we're gonna try to make that happen.
This very busy kitchen is taking a little moment's pause so Chano can show us how they do this delicious street taco made with a slow-cooked pulled pork, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is. You gotta taste it.
Oh, yum. And it's hot. Oh, wow. That is really good. The smoky smokies. That's fantastic. But you guys do something really special with your tortillas before you put them on the grill.
Yes, we do.
I know I spotted something different. Dipped in a delicious dredge of slow-roasted pork drippings and toasted on the flat top. These street tacos have a little crunch to them, and they're packed with a whole lot of flavor.
So, how did I do?
The pork by itself was phenomenal, and I love the spicy green sauce.
You know, it's a favorite community restaurant. Scotty does so much for our community.
I've been coming here for at least 37 years.
Thanks to Scotty P, this restaurant really has become home base for this tight-knit community.
A lot of social stuff goes on here, a lot of beer drinking goes on here, a lot of secrets are told here. So this is the place to be if you're in Wichita Falls.
I'll admit, I spent a lot of time in West Texas. This is my first time to Wichita Falls.
It's a great town.
Well, congrats on being the first sports bar in the country.
One of them.
We'll consider it that. Cheers.
Thank you very much.